Hi my friends, today we model this part. You see it is pretty interesting. Let's see what is the drawing. You have here all the necessary dimension. Take a look that there is a small hole to corners of this nut. We start by creating this main body with dimensions from the drawing. Let's start. New standard millimeter SciPT. New sketch, XY plane, and we draw an axis, a vertical axis of 135 millimeters. The axis is a center line, and we move this dimension. We start by drawing other lines: horizontal, vertical, sloped, vertical, again sloped, down, to the left a long line, you'll see why, then back, sloped, down, vertical, and to the end. Dimensions: this is an angle of 45. This is another angle of 45. And the last 45 is this one. You see, this is perpendicular on other on this. Take a look. I select this line and I have a mark of constraint parallel, and you see here also red. Yes, if you want to apply this dimension, you eliminate that and then you change this in dimension, normal dimension. Let me move here some dimensions to be more visible. Then a diameter of 28, this is 36, this is 33, this doesn't have a dimension, and you'll see why. Just wait. This is 15, this is 38, 10, and 23 between these 2 points. These are dimensions in the drawing, my friends. Other dimension is this diameter of 58, and now we have two dimensions needed. I don't place dimensions to this to fulfill this solution. That dimensions are this and this, and you'll see why immediately. Finish sketch, revolve. Okay, now we use this face to create a hexagon. F7. You see in the drawing that there is a hexagonal knot here. Dimension is 38. Okay, let's apply this. I select polygon, 6 sides, and I place this here. Then I align on the same horizontal this point with this point. The dimension is 36. Now I place a special dimension. The distance between these two points, which is dimension like before, you remember. You see here a value, yes, 41 569. We'll use this dimension. Finish sketch, extrude with the other direction. We project also this circle. Finish sketch, extrude this area, the other direction, which is cut to this face. Okay. Now we can see some things. FX parameters. It is also placed here. You don't need to go to this tab. FX is the list of parameters. We have this one with a dimension. I copy this dimension, done, and I go back to the sketch to place that dimension here. List parameters. D14 copy is the value. Okay. This line remains undimensioned because it is used in the next step. We obtained this to place this corner on the circle by using that dimension. One dimension is still not defined. Next is this feature with dimensions here and the placement of 55 from the bottom. Okay, we use this plane for a new sketch. F7, line, to the left, up, right, sloped, horizontal, sloped again, but not perpendicular on anything. Here, here, and back to the start of that line. We place this line coincident with the center point. The distance is 55, as you know. This line is a center line. Its length is 70. Then other dimensions. This angle is 45. This is also 45. And again 45. This was placed perpendicular on this. We can accept it, but not important. Diameters or other dimensions. This is 10. This is 40. This is 5. And dimensions, diameters are 28, 36, this is not 70 but 72, and this diameter is 33. Now we have a fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch, revolve. Okay. Next is this flange. You see here. Dimension radius 10, distance 75, thickness 11. Let's do this. We select this plane, the bottom plane, and we project this circle. Then lines starting from a point on the circle, press the left button and go to the right. Press the left button and go here. Then go to the circle to catch the tangency. This is not tangent, we place it manually. Then on the same horizontal is this point with a center point. We can find the center point going here. You see? Very nice. This is radius 10, and the distance between these two circles or arcs is 75 divided by 2. Finish sketch, extrude this area at 11 already placed. Okay, then mirror of the last feature about this plane. Okay. Now I see that this face is not well oriented. It must be here oriented. You see, a face is aligned with this last feature. It is not complicated to change this. Double click, F7, and we show all constraints. You see, this is a constraint. I select this and I eliminate it. Yes. Now hide all constraints. You see, I can rotate this. I place vertical. This is vertical for this line. Okay, now we have a right position. Next is this chamfer, which has a definition here, 30 degrees from this point. Yes. Okay, we select this, not this plane, F7, and we project this line and this face. I make this as construction, and I draw a line, as I said, from this point. You see, I have to project also this generator. Now I draw a line here and I apply the angle of 30 degrees. We have only one close contour. Then we can apply revolve with cut. The axis is Y. The axis Y. Okay. You see now that nice chamfer. We continue with the internal revolving volume, but we ignore this metric 6 with a pitch of 2. We use only this, and all the other elements to create a volume. Okay, we use the plane XY, F7, we draw an axis from this center point to the midpoint of the upper line. I used to draw also this line even if it is already present. Then I go down, left, also down, somewhere here. Now be careful, I draw a sloped line, a vertical line, and again a sloped line. Not parallel with the other, even if they are parallel. I go to the left, I press the left button, and I draw a fillet here. Then I go down, I press the left button, I go here to the vertical axis. Then a rectangle from the center point to the left, tab with this dimension of 5. I make this as a center line. I apply I apply the dimension of 48, a diameter. This line is not vertical, I think. Let me see. Yes, it was not vertical. This is radius 3, a fillet equal to the other one. This diameter is 50. The distance to the bottom is 34. This dimension is 38. 38. This diameter is 28. An angle of 40 degrees of 45. Also 45 is this, but here is an expression, 90 divided by 2. There are two dimensions here. This one is 7 and this small one is 0.8. Good. Other dimensions. This is 24. This is 18, 16, and other dimensions I don't see what are they. Let's see. 2 dimensions. Apply. One is this. Let's see what happens here. A tangency. This has a constraint here of tangency and here is not. We apply tangent. Okay. Now we have a fully constrained sketch. Finish, revolve with cut the profile inside. We have 2 profiles here. We have to select both, and the axis is only 1. Okay. Now you see this is not a hole. We have to apply this metric 36 with a pitch of 2 as a hole. Yes, the distance is from the bottom to 55 to this line. Okay. Hole, threaded, isometric profile 36 with a pitch of 2, no 50. 36. I can use the wheel of the mouse. 36, and here is 36 pitch of 2. This hole is placed on this face with this center, but with a dimension. The dimension is 55. Okay. Now we have that thread placed inside the part. We have also threads metric 36 with a pitch of 2 here and here, and we use the tool thread for this external feature. Isometric profile 36, because we placed the diameter of 36 here, but the same pitch of 2, plus this one with also pitch of 2 millimeters. Okay. Another hole is this one. This hole is 18, you see, and it goes to the plane. Good. Hole, not threaded. With this face, this center, diameter of 18, 2 to this plane. Yes, here. Okay. Other holes are these 2 metric 12. Yes, placed in the centers of the flange. I select this face. No, I go to the hole. I select threaded, I select all the way through an isometric thread with diameter of 12 normal pitch. Where is it placed? On this face with this center, plus this face, this center. Okay. Now we see that there is a fillet here, this one, and these two were already placed. We don't have to create them. This is the only fillet. I select this edge, fillet, 4 millimeters, here. Okay. Then you see undimensioned chamfers are 3 at 45 degrees. What are that dimension chamfers? One is this one, 2 at 45, and another is 1 at 45. Yes, this one and this one. The rest are 3. What are they? This one, and at the bottom all around the flange, you see here. Let's place these. Chamfer of 1 millimeter is this one. Apply. Then 2 millimeters is this one. Apply. Then 3 millimeters is all around this. Also this, also this. Okay. As I mentioned at the beginning, this part has 3 holes. You see? Oh, very interesting. Dimensions for them are here. Diameter of 2 millimeters, distance of 18, and distance of 14. Okay. We use this plane for a new sketch, F7. Then we create a circle placed somewhere here, diameter of 2. Distance between the center and the center point is 18. The distance to the upper side end is 45. Finish sketch, extrude, symmetrical with cut all the way through the part. Okay, now you see that nice hole. These holes are used to seal the part. We have to multiply that last feature about this axis, not 6 but 3 times. Okay. Now we finish the part, so let's see what is the volume. High properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the last dimension is very near the original model made by me, of course. You see 19 here and 20 here. Practically the last digit of the integer is different. We eliminate this and we keep the value obtained by us together when we created that part. The material is brass, soft yellow. You see how nice it is, and without edges, and with another light, this light. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.